a public service announcement. I am at Lazy Dog after my first day of my first technical day of actual work. Someone once told me that never consider that you have a job until you are paid. So, I am Sakashana. Invite anyone who would like to go. If you don't, you know, but it is a wonderful place. There's a DJ, also bartender. There's food. I actually got to try the burger today, real meat one. Because everybody that I split them with always eats it. So, and I've heard it's the best, and it's the best. I will be here. I don't want to be alone. Hermione's cool. I'm hanging out, eating free food as well. Yeah, so that's just 16/22 the address. So look for the girl at the bar who's still wearing her shirt from work as a businesswoman-y jacket that she found at work. Someone lost it and I found it and I tried to give it back, but